As you can see guys, DJI Mimo. You can see guys how to solve this problem. You can see guys, not open. I am try again and again, but not open. So sometimes I will show you now. Press. You can see guys. Click I button and try to open over here. Click here, open. Even this app is not open. So guys, now uninstall the app. So guys, now search here DJI Mimo, MIMO. You can see guys, DJI Mimo download center. Click here and now download, and then I am already downloaded here. Now go to the download. Download is complete. You can see guys, 394 MB. Install this app. You can see guys, setting, allow your Chrome. Install. So now installation is complete. Open. You can see guys, now open. Agree. Join project. Power on. You can see guys, now allow. Okay, Bluetooth. So connect. There. Searching. So guys, now connect. So accept. Connect. So guys, now devices are connected. You can see guys, now you can control your device. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell icon for upcoming more videos notification.